Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making mashed potatoes. You will need 3 pounds of gold potatoes, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2½ ounces of Boursin garlic and herb gournay cheese, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 2½ teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring the water to a boil. Now add the potatoes and allow them to cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are easily pierced by a fork. After the potatoes are done, turn off the heat and drain off the water. Now mash the potatoes. Add the melted butter, then the gournay cheese and mix well. Now season with the pepper and the remaining salt. Now add the heavy cream and the milk and mix until the potatoes have a creamy consistency. These mashed potatoes are full of flavor and easy to make. I really hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.